Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make 6 easy fall Dollar Tree crafts. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first craft, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree decor signs. I think this natural wood color is already beautiful, so I decided not to paint mine. So now I'm going to decorate my sign. I'm going to start off with the leaf. This one right here comes from a Dollar Tree pack. I am going to just glue it more towards the top, leaving the bottom empty because that is where I'm going to add the thankful sign. Now, using this Hobby Lobby thankful woodcraft little sign, I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. To finish this off, I will be removing this Rifa bow and adding it to my leaf. And that is it. Look how beautiful this thankful sign turned out. For my next craft, I will be using these 3D little wood pumpkins. These I got them from the Dollar Tree last year. I actually haven't seen them this year, but I did pick up a lot of these from last year. So I decided to just try to use them all this year. Anyways, I'm going to start by painting the smaller pumpkin using this beautiful moss color from the brand Waverly. As you can see, I only painted like the top part. Now for the other pumpkin, I did mix these two colors. I wanted to make more of like a peach, I'm sorry, not a peach, like a khaki or like a light beige. And this is what I came up with. So now that this is dry, I am going to add this Be Grateful little sign, which I'm using these Dollar Tree sticker stencils that I also picked up last year. One thing I do recommend you doing is start slowly and removing the backing and sticking it at the same time, because these little sticker stencils are pretty hard to work with. Once I had done smoothing it out, I went over with some white paint. I let this dry for a couple of minutes, then I removed the sticker. It did bleed a little, but I did clean it up using a little cotton ear thingy. So now to finish decorating this pumpkin, I will be adding this bow I made out of jute twine, which as you can see, I added some small beads at the end. Now to put this together, I am going to glue the taller pumpkin on the back, and this completes this beautiful craft. For my next craft, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree wood hanging decor signs. Now these are like the smaller ones. They do carry these in this small size, and then they carry some a little bit bigger than this. So I'm going to start by painting this using some white paint. Once this was dried, I will be adding some of these poster sticker letters. I will be adding the word harvest. I had these rub-on transfer stickers that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. I thought these were perfect for this. So I'm going to add a little image at the bottom and one at the top. I was able to only cover one of the holes with one of the images. So to cover the other little hole, I added a small little leaf. And that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my next craft, I used one of these wooden holders the Dollar Tree carries. Now, they also carry like these other wood boxes that you can use instead. Honestly, I would have preferred using the wood box because I wouldn't have to like remove these little tags on the side. So now to decorate the inside of this little box, I will be using this pumpkin, which I am going to like take this apart. I am removing the velvet cloth and I'm going to cut this in half. I didn't have the right tool to cut this in half, so I made a huge mess. You can honestly wrap the pumpkin back with the velvet and use it that color, but I didn't like the blue pumpkin, so I decided to paint mine using these two mixtures of greens. Once the pumpkin was dried, I glued it inside the box. I then put the little stem back in there. I did have to make like another little hole at the top. So now to like cover the little lifting of the stem, I will be adding a jute twine bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next craft, I will be using this Dollar Tree candle. Now mine is old, it doesn't work anymore. I did try to like change the battery, it still wouldn't turn on, and I kind of like messed around with the inside to see if I could fix it, but I wasn't able to. So instead of throwing this away, I decided to turn this into a small little vase. And to do that, you do have to remove like the bottom part. I felt like this was too plain, so I decided to reuse the little Be Grateful sticker stencil that I used earlier. Now it did have enough adhesive to reuse it. So honestly, you can probably use these twice or even 3 times. I will be using this Waverly chalk paint in the color Pumpkin. I let this dry completely, then I removed the sticker, and this is how it turned out. Look how beautiful. Now all you have to do is just add some of your favorite greenery. The one I'm using is just a mixture of different floral picks that I already had, but look how cute this turned out. For my next craft, I'm not doing anything to this beautiful Hello Pumpkin sign because it's already beautiful as is. Now this is not from the Dollar Tree. This is actually from Dollar General, and this was only $1. Like I said, I'm not doing anything to it but adding a little backup stand-up picture frame thing that I got from a Dollar Tree picture frame. Honestly, I felt like this is all it needed for it to be perfect. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.